In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate cash on delivery in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have cash on delivery or COD fully set up as a payment option on your store so customers can pay when their order is delivered. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Shopify dashboard. This is your store's control center, where you can see orders, products, and analytics. From here, we're going to move straight into the settings where payment options are managed. Look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This will open a new page with different sections for managing your store, like shipping, taxes, and payments. Since we're working with payment methods today, we'll focus on that area. On the Settings page, find and click on Payments. This is where you control all the ways your customers can pay, including credit cards, digital wallets, and manual methods like cash on delivery. Give the page a moment to load if needed. Once you're on the payments page, scroll down until you see the section for manual payment methods. These are offline payment options that you process yourself, outside of Shopify's automatic gateways. Click on the button or link that says manual payment method to start setting one up. From the list of available manual options, choose cash on delivery, sometimes shown as COD. Clicking this will open the setup screen where you can customize how this option appears to your customers. You'll see a field labeled Additional Details. This text appears to customers when they are selecting their payment method at checkout. Here, you might want to explain that payment will be collected upon delivery or mention any conditions, like specific regions where COD is available. Below that, there's another field for payment instructions. These instructions are shown to customers after they place an order using cash on delivery. Use this area to clearly explain what happens next. For example, you can remind them to have the exact amount ready or outline how your delivery team will contact them. Take a moment to review what you've written in both fields, making sure everything is clear and easy to understand. When you're happy with the details and instructions, scroll down and click on Activate Cash on Delivery. Once you do that, COD will be live on your store and available for customers to choose at checkout.